Ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen and ladies, ladies and gents, while I am getting ready to work on the computer, dealing with something else, and got a consult later this afternoon or this morning, I wanted to go ahead and do something real quick. Try again. No, we're not going to try nothing again. We're going to tell you guys how my brain works, because a lot of people trying to figure out how my brain works. I'm sorry. You can't do that. People have been trying for years. For instance, I was just sitting up here getting ready to watch Raymond Remington on the Blacklist. Okay, y'all know the Blacklist. Okay. Well, I said, Mr. Officer, what you doing here? And then the officer said, wait, hold on. Before you start talking, I want my attorney. I can't talk to you about no legal stuff, not without my attorney being present. Okay? Got any more questions? Ask my attorney. Ladies and gentlemen, I know some of you know what I'm trying to say. You have the right to speak to an attorney. Guess what? They can't hold you until your attorney get there. They can't do no investigation until your attorney get there. They got to stop talking to you. So if you get into a situation and there ain't no warrant out for your no arrest or anything, even if there was, I want my attorney. Oh no, you got to provide one for me. So go talk to a judge, tell the judge I want an attorney, and you come back here with an attorney, okay? Who represents my interests. All right? See you. Bye-bye. All right, shut up. I said I want my attorney. You can't talk to me. Because then you violate my due process, and I love due process because it's due me. Some of you are going to understand that statement, and you're going to take it and you're going to expound upon it. You see, if somebody pulls me over, and I'm in my automobile, and I ain't did nothing wrong, I ain't violated no law. I ain't violated no statute. I ain't made no so-called illegal turn. I ain't made no so-called illegal lane change. I ain't made no so-called traffic infraction because I ain't traveling in commerce. Officer, what you pulling me over for? Well, you were doing this and you were doing... I'm sorry. I was doing what? Are you sure? Because I could have sworn that I wasn't in commerce. I ain't traveling in commerce. This is a private vehicle. That's private. Yeah, it's a vehicle. It's a car. It's a vehicle. It's an automobile. It's a conveyance. It's all of them mother things. But it ain't in commerce. Oh, no. You see, this is my private property. Yeah. It ain't for profit or for gain. It's household goods. That's right. So I tell you what, since you relying on a presumption, where's my attorney? No, I ain't saying nothing else without my attorney being present. And no, you ain't got my permission to hold me here. So unless you got a warrant and it has my name on it and the judge's signature on it, and you have the actual one with the judge's seal, then sorry. I'm sorry, but we ain't got nothing else to talk about, homie. Now, ladies and gentlemen, some of you ain't gonna know what you're doing, and you're gonna open your mouths, and you're gonna get yourself in trouble. But some of you been doing this for too long, and some of you have been riding out there with no license plates, and some of you been riding out there with no stickers, and some of you been riding out there with no insurance. Now, I'm not advocating you do those things, but also please understand, common law doesn't require you to have those things. You see, it's a presumption that you're going to get into an accident and you're going to need insurance. That's a presumption, okay? That's that presumptive law. Presumption violates due process, violates the Constitution. Why? Because the law is not based on presumption. The law is based on facts. Okay, the law relies on facts. It doesn't rely on, if that man steps off that curb, he could get hit by a train. even though there ain't no train tracks anywhere near that curve, he still could get hit by a train. Okay, that's a presumption. Something that could be a possibility, but, until somebody comes and proves that it ain't a possibility, then it's relied upon. That's called presumption of law. And the Constitution does not allow presumption of law. The Constitution says that a person must receive due process. They claim they're giving you due process by allowing you to rebut their presumption. Nope, sorry, because your presumption is not based on facts. And if it were based on facts, then it wouldn't be a presumption. So no, that violates the Constitution, because the Constitution said that an individual is entitled to fairness. Well, we gave you an opportunity to rebut it. No, the fairness is that you came up with something that wasn't based on fact. I'm not allowed by my religion to rely on something that ain't based on fact. Well, your religion based on faith? That's right, faith in what is perceived to exist. Not faith on what is believed to exist. The evident realities, though not yet beheld. It's a reality, people. It's evident. Faith is based on evidence. Pay attention. Go back and read Hebrews, the 11th chapter, verse 1 and 6. It tells you, it's called the book of faith, Hebrews, the 11th chapter, and verse number 6 speaks as to evidence, reality, though not yet beheld. In other words, it is a reality, it is evidence, even though it's not beheld yet. It is the assured, I'm so sure of this, expectation, because the law of expectancy requires it to be fact. Sorry, I'm hoping some of you can hold on to that. Now look, I gotta go, because I got a life, things to do, place to go, people to see, things to know. See you later. Have a good day. Hey, I exercise my right. I want my attorney. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Adios.